here with the fellas today, working on the glutes. Keep it tight, keep it right.
Look at all these bands though, you gotta teach them out eventually because I'm sure they'll get wear and tear.
Yeah.
No matter what.
Great form. We were supposed to do this one, but we broke it. Cable snapped. Guess wasn't meant for us. This is probably the third time I've ever used this machine in my life.
You see you up in them legs, bro.
I feel kind of sus. Today, did legs. Didn't want to do it, but as you've seen in the video, we went out and we did legs. I think we did like 5 or 6 different exercises, 4 sets each. I'm lying. We did 5 exercises. We were gonna do 6, but the machine broke on one of them as we were doing it for one of the abduction or induction. I don't know what it's called. The one where you put your legs in it and you squeeze. So that one was broken. We broke it into our first set. So, well, we didn't break it. The cable's old and it snapped. So that's what it was. But gonna get on with the day today. Yesterday, we closed the vlog out when I just got out of church and went to dinner. I had one more meal. And overall yesterday I had 1,533 calories. I went over my goal by like 33 calories. But I'm not gonna, sulk about it or be upset with myself. It is what it is. I've been going to the gym, and today we're gonna keep it under that caloric goal I had. And yeah. So yesterday, as y'all seen, for breakfast, just a little synopsis. We went out eggs, spinach, and strawberries. For my lunch meal, I had broccoli and ground beef. And then for my dinner, all I had was what did I have? I had a chicken breast tenderloin with broccoli as well. So today, I don't think I'm gonna have time to get breakfast. Maybe I'll just have some fruit just to suffice a little bit of that hunger. But other than that, had a great workout. It's always nice to work out with the guys, Luis and David. I work with both of them. Luis has been a big motivation to get in the gym. Him and my boss are huge motivation. I only said Luis right now because my boss isn't here. But my boss and Luis have lost a lot of weight and leaned out a lot. And I watched them, and their strength in the gym is tremendously grown since I first seen them lift. So I think that's a huge motivation for me to get back in the gym. It's nice to have people in your circle or, that you work with that are encouraging good habits. And at that, my boy David, he's been back in the gym too. So that's cool to see. I'm excited for, everybody getting healthy. But yeah, all the guys pretty much in the fitness right now, trying to get right. As you get older, I think you kind of like become aware of like how important health gets as you get older, and kind of like the difficulties of being behind a chair. If you're a bigger dude, you are going to struggle on your feet. Your legs are going to hurt because your body is holding up a lot of weight and supporting a lot of weight. You're going to have more back issues just because of how you're bending and leaning and all that with all the weight that you have. So I think everybody's kind of in this mode of like, health is wealth at the end of the day. You can't make money if you're broken. So yeah, I'm gonna get to the shop. I'm excited to get to the haircuts I have today. I'm not sure how many I have today. I think I have like 9. I think I have 9 cuts today. But I might throw a little montage of haircuts in there today if I can, or just some bits cutting in the shop. I am a lot of you are barbers that watch this channel, so there is a lot of tools coming out from the Pissed Off Barber, a lot of different colorways and stuff like that. But if you are looking for a discount, use code JBlunts to save yourself 15% off. But let's get home. Maybe I'll show you breakfast, maybe I won't, but then we're gonna get to the shop. Let's get to it. It is 9:40. I just got out of the shower, but shout out to my wife. Got some eggs, spinach, and some strawberries. I'm gonna eat this up. Got 2 eggs and I think half a cup of spinach, maybe less. I don't know, but I know it's for sure 2 eggs, 6 strawberries. Eat this for breakfast. Get to the shop, cut some hair. Tonight I'm gonna be grilling on the Blackstone. I think we're gonna have a steak, so stay tuned for that. I love cooking steak, especially on the Blackstone. It's been raining the past week, so I haven't really been on the Blackstone, but we're gonna get back to it tonight. We got this light-skinned Puerto Rican all the way from Miami, Florida, and he brought some merch. There you go. There it is. He loves it. You don't even. There it is. What? Are you a Marlins fan? No. No? Who's your team?
I mean, by association.
Oh, okay.
I don't really like baseball.
Are they Tampa Rays? No? Too far? Oh, come on, bro. Horrible. Dude, y'all, it's 6 p.m. That means my day at the shop is done. It's over. Last cuts done, squared away, edged up, blended out. And now we're headed home. I've been waiting for this moment all day. I'm hungry. But I knew that I was looking forward to something, and that is going to be a nice, juicy steak. So I saved up my calories so that we could enjoy this nice dinner. My wife asked me to cook on the Blackstone today. So the weather is permitting. It looks great outside. The cloud coverage is great. The sun's not gonna be on my face. It's not too cold, not too hot. It's just a perfect day to throw some meat on the grill or the Blackstone. I don't know if you call it the grill or Blackstone or vice versa, but it is what it is. Let's go make some food. I think I'm gonna be making burgers for my sons and my daughters. They love burgers. They love all right. So when I told you I eat a lot of rice, we literally eat rice with every meal, like rice and chicken, rice, eggs and bacon, rice and beef, rice and steak, rice and, the list goes on. I'm half Asian. My dad is from Thailand. My mom is Native American. Native American side, they eat a lot of potatoes and bread. On my Asian side, noodles and rice. So cutting carbs out has been extremely difficult, but it's been doable. We're on day 4, and I've been doing very well. My wife has been to the gym. She went to the gym today too. She's been watching what she eats. So we're in this together, and I think that's a really dope thing because we can kind of keep each other in check. But she FaceTimed me earlier. She showed me some cuts of steak. She's like, "Is this good?" And I'm like, "Yes." And I'm just looking forward to it. So maybe I'll give you guys a little shot of the meat on the grill, and then plate it, and y'all can see it, and then we'll end the vlog. But let's get home. We got 2 ribeyes cooking up right now. And then we also got some burgers there. And we got these kids playing over here. Say hi. No? We're gonna finish cooking this up and then get to grubbing. I'm hungry. There we have it, guys. My lens is a little dirty, I think. Clean that bad boy. There you go. Now you can see that meat glistening. Got the eggs. It's gonna be delicious. How's the burgers?
Good.
Have you tried the steak yet?
My first bite. It's good.
Good? Good burger?
This is so good.
I'm so heavenly and so tasty.
Bone apple tea.